So what if you can't install Microsoft Teams app on your Android phone? So let me show you some ways you can fix that. Let's get started. And if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe for more tips and videos like this. So in the usual scenarios where you can't install the app from the Play Store, make sure that you obviously have the proper internet connection, that you are signed in with Google account on the Play Store and so on. Most importantly, make sure you have enough storage on your phone available so you can actually install it. But assuming that you have done all of these things, then you will have the ability to install it normally, right? So you should be able to find it, perhaps restart the phone or try a different internet connection, and you should be able to get the app normally as long as it works out properly. But my point is that you don't technically even have to have the application, because what you have the ability to do is to look up Microsoft Teams on the internet, right? So you can use the web version for it. So if you look up the Teams on your Google, you can just tap on the web page that shows up, and you have the ability to even just sign in like that on the web version, right? Sometimes it might work on some devices and not on the others, but definitely just give it a try. And it is possible to get and even join a meeting through the web version of the application, right? So if it doesn't work for some reason or the way that you would want, you can as well try to request the desktop version of that website, and perhaps it's going to give you a better ability to make that kind of work. But you should be able to see the sign in button, no problem. So I really hope that I was able to at least guide you through it. I hope I was able to show you how it could work. Thanks a lot for watching and your support, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.